Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to track TikTok ad conversions on Gumroad. If you are promoting digital products with basically TikTok ads, installing the pixel on Gumroad helps optimize your campaigns and even track real sales. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go on how to add TikTok pixel to Gumroad fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet so we can access our TikTok Ads Manager and even Gumroad. So as you see here, I'm already on Edge. I'm gonna go and look for TikTok Ads Manager. GAM. So here it goes. TikTok Ads Login. Log in to your TikTok for Business account to access the Ads Manager, Business Center, and even one. So as you see, you have to go all the way here and log in using your email address and password. Then, basically, go to the Events Manager, create a new TikTok pixel, and copy the pixel ID. Then we have to go back to Gumroad. All we have to do here is log in so we can access this. Tap on dashboard here, then go all the way to settings. As you see, we have advanced third-party analytics. In the old version, we had the analytics included in advanced, but right now you can just access third-party analytics. Then find the TikTok pixel ID field and paste your pixel ID. Then you can save the changes. Now TikTok basically can track visits and even conversions from your own ads. As a bonus tips, use conversion events to track any purchase. Then test your pixel before launching ads so to make sure it's working properly. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.